ah, te de da, ah, ah, yes, da da de, ah, te de da, woi, ah.
Hey guys, what's up? This is your favorite teacher here, Djoniba, with my 15 minutes beginner Afrobeats dance class, which is part of a series of 8 videos going from beginner to advanced. Before we get started, you know what to do, right? Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell too, so you know when we drop new videos. Would be great if you leave us a comment, and please like the video and share it, guys. And thank you so much for tagging us in all your great videos. Let me know that you're doing the dance. Also check out our channel for more classes: hip-hop, yoga, salsa, belly dance, Pilates, African dance, and much more. All right? Let's do this, baby. You ready?
In video number 1, we left at this and this, right? Remember that? Video number 1. So, again, we did this. Now, from here, we're gonna keep going in video 2. We got the same thing we did on video 1, which was left with right, and then inside. We're gonna do the same thing on this side now. So we're here. We're gonna start right with left arm. So you got right, left leg, right arm. So right is on top. Remember what we did before? The one that's on top is going in and making the call. So we're here. Right is going in and making the call. Again, right is here, in, right is in and call. From here, right is in, 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 call. It's so important to know, because if you don't have this, it's a mess. So we did this and we finish here. So you got right leg, left arm first. So we're here. We got 1, 2, and right is coming in, right? 3 and 4. Yes? Again. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and this is important. So my arms from here, they go in, call, and then extend all the way out. Okay? So it goes 1, 2, 3 and 4 and important because you're gonna go Yes, you got that? Again. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Again. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Again. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. You see that? Yes? Yes? There we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Like you're cooking. You're cooking something. Yes? 1 and winding at the same time. 1 and 2. Here. Yeah? Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Yes? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Twist. Yeah? Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Look. So the pot is cooking, right? Some good food. Yes? You taste it. You look. Oh, something is happening over here. Yes? You taste it? So you're cooking. Okay? Look. Taste. Look. And slow motion to down to contract. Yes? Again. So you're cooking, you look, taste, look, down and contract. Yes? Okay guys, what we're gonna do, the first 8 we just did on the music, on the tempo. You got it? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, just that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So you got your spoon. You're ready to cook. Yes? Again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Yes? Yeah? Again. There we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Yes? 1, 2, 3. Yes? 1, 2, 3. Yes? Again. 1, 2, 3. Taste, look, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Taste and yeah. Under contract. Yes. Again. From here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 1, 2, look. Eh, eh, ah. Again. 1, 2, look. Take some and then out. Yes. So you're tasting the food, right? But you look over here. Maybe your father surprised you or your mother. What? And then, guys, let's get some water. Let's keep going, all right? Yes. Grab some water quickly. Yes. Guys, I'm really happy to spend this time with you, with all of you today. You know, spend time dancing, having some fun. We are so blessed to be dancing, right? We have to be blessed, grateful to the universe to allow us to do what we're doing right now. Yes, we have to be thankful every day. When you wake up and then you got your 2 legs, your 2 arms, you can walk. Be grateful, be happy. Whatever else happens, you know what? It's okay. It's okay, seriously. Because you're okay, you're dancing. That's why it's good. You come to take the class and you dance. So we are blessed. I am blessed to be with you, and you're blessed to be here. We are blessed. Okay? Thanks for having me, guys, in your home. Thank you. I am blessed to be in your home and dancing with you. Yes. Thank you so much. All right, let's keep going. Let's have some more fun. Woo! That's right. We have a long way to go until video number 8 and 9. All right? So make sure you get this one. So, 1, 2, look. Ta ta ta. Oh, and under and contract. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I think it's the count, something like that. But the movement is right. The count, I'm not sure. I'm going with more the beats, the pocket, the groove. And that's what you want to do. Go with the groove. Okay, it's good to count, just to have a, but it's good to groove. Just like you just improvise and just, oh, hey, just, yeah, just having fun. Cool? Okay, guys. So, we are here. Ha. Ha. Yes. Again. Ha. 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 Yes. Ha. 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 Keep your arms back. Ha. So it doesn't, yeah, from here. Yes. Ha. Yes. From here. And 2. Ha. From here. We go. Shake. Shake. Okay? So the shake is not this, huh? It's your chest. Shake. 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 Yeah? Are you getting the shake? I know it's not an easy one. It's a small movement, but not easy. Shake, shake, and on the shake, you lift up the knee and shake. Shake your hands here. Yes? And shake, shake. Again. Shake, shake. Again. Shake, shake. Again. Oh, shake, shake. Oh yeah. And shake, shake. Ow, do it. Shake, shake. All right. Shake turned into shaker. That's when you groove to it, right? All right. So where were we? We did this, and ha, hey ya, shake, shake. Yes. You got that? Again, from here. Pa, 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 pa. Yo, under, up, and ha. Shake, shake. Yes. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So it goes ha, ha, ha. Yes. Again. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. I went really slow there. 3, 4. 3. Great job, you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button again and notification button as well. Yes. I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys for taking my class. See ya.